tātou ngai, ho tātou whatunga motua, ko haka hau e tu uloa ma ai tonga. Celebrating our heritage, shaping our future. Whakatapu ki he tau kakapa, whakatulou atu ki he matanga. Ka lawe atu ki o ku pui pui tua. Ko hoku ingoa ko Malia tō tepi Tonga'uiha. O ko lele mai me he mapu awaya mo e whunga mohu e whā. Isa, ai esi ko la baka mea mo he lala puitahi. Kai whewhe a esi ko maafu mo e otu kinekina. O ko whiawhia mo e loto lahi. Ko whakapopongai ai miss Tika Creation ua whiunima. Malo apito.
Miss Tika Creations, Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha proudly hails from Punga Mohuefa, Mapuavaya, Esi Kolopa Ukamea, Ovaka Vava'u, Me Otu Kinekina, Esi Omaapu, Pelemea Ha'apai. She is driven by her love for travel and service. Toatepi is currently pursuing her studies at the New Zealand Travel and Tourism School. She has a goal of one day becoming a flight attendant. Beyond her career aspirations, she is deeply committed to raising awareness and advocating for action on climate change, understanding its urgent threat to Tonga and the Pacific. In her free time, Toatepi enjoys cooking and cherishes quiet moments with her family. She especially values listening to stories passed down through generations as a way to learn more about Tongan history, culture, and identity. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Miss Tika Creations, Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha.